Are you gonna do anything else to the car?
I think she's alive.
Or she's not the baby.
I didn't.
That's the only thing about one is
The sound system is terrible.
This Lord, he started out, he was bad. He was and then he got her, and then he changed, kind of, and he became more religious.
Or something, you know what I mean? Aftermarket. Are you gonna get the sunroof Bible?
Summer says she's on her way. We should go, you guys.
George W.
What's his name's not coming because he got his wisdom teeth out, and he really can't eat steak and stuff. Tavion. She sent me a picture of him. He had the thing wrapped around. She said, "Don't he look like a psychic?" You're so wrong.
Hey, Janelle.
Huh?
Hey, did you know I used to work for a Secret Service?
Where at?
At the Ronald Reagan building in Westwood, LA.
Oh, the hospital?
No, the federal building.
Oh. Because, Ronald Reagan, UCLA, they send us patients.
Life Carriage called you and tried to get you back.
I actually went there, and they got a new deal in, and she crazy. She from California, and she was, like, mad at somebody, and then she was, like, talking to her iPhones and not texting. She was like, the policy is you will.
I delivered to a halfway
do
house.
the incident report. Like, and she's like, don't you want to come work here? I'm like, no. You delivered to a halfway house?
Yeah.
Off of Russell?
Yep.
That's where Summer's dad used to be.
I delivered there and they came out and they was like, I was like, Poppy, I'm not bringing you no beer and I'm definitely not giving you no cigarettes because I ain't got that shit. It's like, hey man, hey, look.
We hadn't seen Summer's dad in a while, so we went there. We went to that halfway house. It was because it was hard to get like visitation and all that, and then Summer saw him, and we were talking to him through the gate.
Hey, that's how to do. Hey. Get the fuck away from me.
Ricky, did you say the shizzle?
No, because I delivered to the jails, the jail out in G.
Mm-hmm.
Their commissary.
You might want to go wash your hands before we go eat. You, both y'all.
Tanner.
Yeah, you don't like nobody playing with you, huh? Huh.
Come on, Janessa, let's go. I'm hungry.
So I might get a steak tonight.
I'm getting a steak. Shoot.
Give me a sirloin filet mignon.
I saw a porterhouse steak.
My God, well done though.